Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS 18 and iCloud Keychain are active so your passwords sync. Next, open Settings and tap Passwords. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once done, you'll land in the Passwords vault showing saved accounts. Make sure you're on your primary Apple ID if you use multiple accounts. Now tap the plus icon or any entry to begin creating or editing credentials. This is where you actually take control of saved logins and updated secrets. You'll now create or refine entries. Tap the plus to add a new login or choose an existing entry to edit username, password, and notes. Use password suggestions to generate strong, unique passwords and accept or customize them. These sync across devices. Once done, assign the website or app address for accurate autofill. If you use two-factor authentication, add the key to the entry so codes appear with the login. Make sure to save before navigating away to commit changes. You finish by using autofill. Enable passwords autofill in settings so Safari and apps populate credentials automatically. When you need to share a login, use the built-in share option with family sharing or copy credentials briefly and clear the clipboard. Be cautious. If something goes wrong and entries don't sync or autofill, check iCloud status and network connectivity, then toggle iCloud Keychain off and back on. That usually forces a refresh. If problems persist, sign out and back into.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.